You are watching Study Zone Class 15. Like my video, subscribe my channel.
I'm a parrot, having fun in the jungle with colorful feathers. I know everyone's heart for joy. I'm a parrot, I dance and sing with glee. I'm a parrot, I make everyone laugh with me. Flying on trees, eating sweets, meeting chicks, making friends with a soft voice and splash of colors. I'm the beloved parrot of everyone's hearts. I'm a parrot, I dance and sing with glee. I'm a parrot, I make everyone laugh with me. One day the parrot was thinking he wanted to meet a new friend. He flew far away, looking for his friend. He went into the jungle, climbed the trees, and just like that found a new friend. He started singing, he started dancing. The jungle turned into a colorful fair. I'm a